Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CVM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis a while ago, and that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. I don't remember when that was, but there really hasn't been a whole lot to report. I mean, the price has just simply been stuck inside of this channel, and then that all changed, kind of mid-afternoon. And then again, each one of these represents 30 minutes. I bring that up because check out the final volume on the last 30 minutes of not only the day, but given it's Friday, the final 30 minutes of the week. Big volume, nice price reaction, so definitely some updates here to be made. First update based on just a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So $5 had been that level of resistance, but now with the price up above it, going to next week, you want to see that hold as support for the very simple reason of a breakout is underway. As far as technical jargon is concerned, the breakout has occurred. And I don't mean to insult your intelligence here, but if this breakout has true power, well, it's not going to go back inside of that channel because price movements with true power don't go back to where they were, right? I'm assuming, like I said, I state the obvious. Now, what happens if the price were to come down here, but in this situation go sideways and then start to head back up? Well, in that situation, you would have a set of lows here. You would have these lows down here. If you picture these as stair steps, well, then you'd still have overall progress being made in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong breakout is going to do. It's going to make progress forward. And again, I'm just defining and quantifying the phrase make progress as $5. What about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are hanging out at, that's up there at $1.20. That's where the party stopped during the final 30 minutes. So we'll see what happens with it next week, but no doubt about it. I know my scanners were getting set off by just, the volume pouring in. So I know I'm not alone. So I'm sure there's going to be plenty of eyeballs on this one on Monday. So yeah, let's see how this plays out next week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.